Hello, my friends. Good to see you again. This is 7 English Bible School. Thanks for joining us. And once again, your presence means a lot to me. God bless you and keep you.
Thousands of us are returning to the skies, and we need aircraft technology to keep us safe. But now US airlines say these cockpit systems are at risk from mobile phone signals.
If the altimeter is giving incorrect readings, getting the information wrong, then it either might start slowing down and try to perform the landing too early or too late.
One device is particularly at risk.
That readout there is the altimeter. It's an absolutely vital part of the cockpit setup. It tells the pilot how close the plane is to the ground. As you can imagine, that's extremely important to know. But there are now concerns that mobile phone signals from the ground can interfere with that readout, and that's causing serious concerns for some airlines.
America's 5G system is different to that of other countries. Take France as an example. Their 5G power levels are around 630 watts. In the US, they're about 2.5 times stronger. There are also differences in the masts themselves. In countries like France, the transmitters are angled downwards, away from planes in the sky. Not so in the US, meaning more risk of interference.
Airlines warn of catastrophic disruptions, and they want the new service to be banned within 2 miles of airport runways.
Certainly, minimizing flight disruptions, ensuring safety in travel is a top priority.
AT&T and Verizon will activate more than 90% of their ultra-fast 5G wireless networks as planned Wednesday. But cell phone towers within a 2-mile radius of many of the nation's busiest airports will remain offline, specifically to avoid potential interference with cockpit systems that help pilots land in bad weather and low visibility. Without this compromise, airlines said 1,100 flights a day could be delayed, diverted, or canceled due to 5G, with national commerce grounding to a halt. Already, Emirates, ANA, JAL, and Air India canceled flights to several U.S. cities until the situation was worked out.
If you don't have to travel on Wednesday, don't. If you can postpone your trip even 24 hours, you may be better off. I think Wednesday is going to be a very chaotic day.
Aircraft. We need aircraft technology to keep us safe. We need aircraft technology to keep us safe. Cockpit. These cockpit systems are a risk for the signals. Readings. If the altimeter is giving incorrect readings, interfere. Mobile phone signals can interfere with that readout. Catastrophic. Airlines warn of catastrophic disruptions. Visibility. In bad weather and bad visibility. Diverted. Flights could be delayed, diverted, or cancelled. Chaotic. Wednesday is gonna be a very chaotic day. Alright, that's it. This is what the media says. Probably there are pros and cons, but now let's check out some comments. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, or stand in the way of sinners, or sit in the seat of mockers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. He is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever he does prospers. Not so the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, or stand in the way of sinners, or sit in the seat of mockers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. He is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever he does prospers. Not so the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. If you are more interested in more information, please leave a comment, and I will check out and respond. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace be with you.